Welcome to NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on cutting-edge technology, AI innovations, futuristic gadgets, and everything shaping the tech-driven world. Stay ahead of the curve with insightful content, breaking tech news, and in-depth discussions on how technology impacts our daily lives. Join us to explore the future, one lens at a time.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in AI, robotics, and the future of tech. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and a little unsettling. AI-powered police robots hitting the streets. China just deployed its first real deal, AI police robot called the PM01. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. We're talking XPENG, Tesla, Chery. All these tech giants are racing to build the future of robotics. We're going deep on humanoid robots. AI that can automate your entire workflow with a single command. And what it all means for the future of, well, everything. Let's dive in. Alright, so let's start in China, where things are moving crazy fast in the world of AI. We're talking about PM01, China's first officially deployed AI police robot. This isn't some concept art or a prototype. This thing is on active duty in cities like Shenzhen right now. Now, PM01 is built for real-world policing. It's got the whole shebang. Facial recognition, license plate scanning, crowd surveillance, you name it. It can even understand your voice commands if you need to report something. We're talking AI vision systems to spot anything unusual, thermal imaging to detect potential health risks or hidden objects, and real-time license plate recognition that cross-references a massive database. It can even analyze crowd density to predict and prevent potential incidents before they even happen. But here's where it gets really interesting. PM01 isn't just some static surveillance camera on wheels. This thing can walk, it can run, it can even bust out some basic parkour moves to navigate obstacles. We're talking next-level mobility here. China's being strategic about this, rolling out PM01 in low-crime areas first to see how effective it is at deterring crime, tracking behavior, and improving response times. Of course, this whole thing has sparked a lot of debate about privacy and surveillance. It's a complex issue with no easy answers. But one thing's for sure, China is betting big on AI and smart surveillance to reshape the future of urban safety. Okay, so we've seen an AI cop, but what about something a little more approachable? Let's talk about XPENG, the Chinese tech company that's making waves with its electric vehicles. But they're not stopping there. They've also got a robotics division that's building something truly remarkable. A humanoid robot called Iron. Iron is designed to move and interact with the world in ways we've only seen in movies. Imagine a robot that can walk naturally, adapting to different terrains and environments. That's Iron. It can even use its hands to gesture, manipulate tools, you name it. But what really sets Iron apart is its brain. Literally, it's powered by XPENG's X-Brain operating system, which is designed to mimic the way humans process information. We're talking multimodal input here. Vision, audio, LiDAR, environmental cues. Iron takes it all in. XPENG wants Iron to be more than just a standalone robot. They envision it as part of a connected ecosystem, sharing intelligence with their self-driving cars and other smart devices. Picture this. Iron could be your guide at the mall, your assistant at the office, or even help people with disabilities navigate the world. We're talking about a future where robots aren't just tools, they're companions, assistants, and maybe even friends. Now, let's hop over to the US and talk about Elon Musk and Tesla. We all know Tesla for its electric cars, but they're also deeply invested in the world of robotics. And their latest creation is making headlines. Meet Optimus, the humanoid robot that's poised to revolutionize the way we work. Optimus has come a long way. It's gone from those early kinda clunky demos to walking upright with surprisingly human-like movement. And it's not just walking. This thing can sort and lift objects, and it's constantly learning new tasks thanks to its advanced AI training in simulated environments. Elon believes Optimus could eventually be worth more than Tesla's entire car business. When you think about the potential for labor automation, it starts to make sense. We're talking about a future where Optimus robots could be working in every warehouse, factory, and store across the globe. This isn't just about cool robots, it's about a fundamental shift in how we think about work, automation, and the role of AI in our lives. And if Tesla can pull this off, the future of work might look a lot different than we expect. So, Tesla's not the only automaker diving headfirst into the world of robotics. Over in China, Chery, Another automotive giant is taking a slightly different approach. They're focusing on industrial-grade humanoid robots designed to transform the factory floor. We're talking about robots built for heavy-duty tasks, assembly line work, parts installation, machine inspection, the kind of jobs that are usually pretty dangerous for humans. Chery's robots are designed to handle it all, and then some. And they're not just throwing robots at the problem. Chery's combining AI with cutting-edge robotics. Think advanced robotic arms, next-gen mobility units, and sophisticated mechanical vision systems, all working together seamlessly. Their goal? To build the ultimate zero-downtime factory, a factory that runs 24/7, staffed entirely by robots. Chery's even partnered up with some of China's top AI chip makers to create custom hardware for their robots. This is about reducing latency, improving reliability, and making sure those robots can handle the demands of a real-world factory floor. It's a whole new era of manufacturing, and Chery's right there on the front lines. All right, ready to talk about giant robots? Because things are about to get massive. Let's talk about Xirex, a Chinese robotics startup that's thinking big, like really big. We're talking about a 6-meter-tall bipedal robot designed for one thing: building the future. This isn't some sci-fi fantasy. This thing is real, and it's designed to handle the toughest construction and infrastructure projects. Imagine this, a robot that can carry heavy payloads, pour concrete, set beams, all while navigating challenging and dangerous environments. That's the vision Xirex is bringing to life. They believe that construction robotics is the next frontier, and honestly, it's hard to disagree. This could be a game changer for industries like mining, disaster recovery, and large-scale infrastructure projects. Xirex is showing us that the future of building might be a lot more automated, a lot more efficient, and a whole lot bigger than we ever imagined. So far, we've been talking about robots you can actually see and touch. But what about the robots that live in the digital world? Yeah, I'm talking about AI, and specifically, a tool called Abacus DeepAgent. DeepAgent is like having a digital employee who's always on, always learning, and can automate entire workflows with a single prompt. You need a full-blown app, a website, or a complex dashboard. Just tell DeepAgent what you need, and it'll build it for you. DeepAgent can pull data from APIs, scrape the web, organize information in real time, and even handle tasks like reporting, email automation, and CRM updates. This isn't just automation, it's autonomous agent architecture at work. And unlike traditional AI that just reacts to commands, DeepAgent plans, decides, and executes tasks like a virtual employee. It's like having a whole team of AI experts working for you 24/7. This is a big deal, especially in China, where they're investing heavily in building their own AI ecosystem. They want to be independent of US-based AI tools like OpenAI or Google's DeepMind. DeepAgent is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, not just in China, but globally. From automating tedious tasks to building complex applications, DeepAgent is a glimpse into a future where AI takes care of the heavy lifting, freeing us up to focus on what matters most. All right, let's take a step back and process all of this. We've seen AI police robots patrolling the streets, humanoid robots designed to be our companions and assistants, and AI agents that can automate entire workflows. This isn't science fiction, people. This is the reality we're living in right now. Robots are no longer confined to factories or research labs. They're out in the real world, interacting with us, learning from us, and reshaping our lives in profound ways. We're on the cusp of a robot revolution, and it's happening faster than most of us realize. From police work to customer service, from factory floors to construction sites, robots and AI are changing the game. But with all this incredible technology comes a whole lot of questions. What happens to traditional labor roles as automation becomes more sophisticated? These are questions we need to be asking ourselves right now. That's it for today's deep dive into the world of AI robotics and the future of, well, pretty much everything. If you're as fascinated, and maybe even a little freaked out by all of this as I am, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on future episodes. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about all of this? Would you be cool with robot cops patrolling your city? Would you trust a humanoid robot to assist you at work or at home? Let me know in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay future ready.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.